ये नुआ बिल्डिंग इनागोरेसन होता आम सब वकिल समाज वकिल भाई जयपुरवासी समस्ते आम भारी खुशी आज आमर यहाँ गोटे पर्व पूरा लगिला आज मु आपण जरिया मोर समस्त बार भाई भाई मान धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करुँ कटपाड़ बार कोरापुट बार सिमलीगुड़ा बार एवं अन्य हरिउट कोरापुट जिलार बार सदस्य मैंने आज उपस्थित यही कार्यक्रम को सफल कर धन्यवाद अर्पण कर मोर जी मीडिया भाई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रिंट मीडिया भाई से धन्यवाद ज्ञापन कर मोर जिला जज बाकी जी जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स आमर जज समस्ते से अशेष अशेष धन्यवाद ज्ञापन
आज गणेश पूजा यहाँ आमर जिला बार एसोसिएशन जयपुर गोटे ऐतिहासिक दिन आज आमर नवा बिल्डिंग उद्घाटन होमें देखुचु नवा बिल्डिंग को कि स्वच्छ रखू तार मेंटेन करूँ से आम प्रतिश्रुतिबद्ध उद्घाटन दिवस रे मोर समस्त बार मेम्बर मान अभिनंदन जनाऊँ।
जय हिंद। आज कोरापुट जिला गोटे सौभाग्यर विषय बहुत प्रतीक्षित अपेक्षित आमर नुआ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट बिल्डिंग आज इनाग्रेट होती ऑनरेबल चीफ जस्टिस एस मुरलीधर द्वारा आउ सब वकील भाई मैंने आज उपस्थित होती मुझे समस्त धन्यवाद देवी आमर ऑनरेबल जिला जज मुझे धन्यवाद देवी चेष्टार आज ये कार्यक्रम बहुत सफल होती एवं कोरापुट जिला गोटे यहाँ गोटे सुवर्ण सुजोग थिला जोटा कि आज आम नुआ बिल्डिंग टे लोकार्पण कराई ए सब प्रकार व्यवस्था अच्छी जो गोटे कम्प्लेक्स 15टी 16टी कोर्ट चलो समस्त व्यवस्था अच्छी वकील बंधु भल व्यवस्था कराई सब प्रकार ये कराई आम जिला आईनजीवी संघ तरफ प्रशासन को धन्यवाद।
अविभक्त कोरापुट जिलार जो पुरातन कोर्टा रही जो आदर्श कोर्टा रखी आज आज नूतन बिल्डिंग होगी आमर ये कोरापुट जिलार गौरव आनी आमर ये नूतन कोर्ट धन्यवाद देवी समस्त को समस्त वकील बंधु को समस्त जजशिप को एवं आमर जी समस्त टीम अच्छा यही नूतन बिल्डिंग आज ये गणेश पूजारे उद्घाटन होती श्री गणेश तेणु आम समस्ते बहुत खुशी जे बहुत पुराना बार जो थिला आमर से बार आज नूतन कोठा को आसीपारी आम एठारे आमर आसंता दिन जस्टिस जेमिति लोक पाइबे न्याय पाइबे से धारा आम प्रतिश्रुति दौचु जेमिति ए नुआ बिल्डिंग रे समस्ते न्याय पूरा आशा रखिपारे। नमस्कार।
आज यही पवित्र गणेश चतुर्थी समस्त को अभिनंदन एवं आज आम कोरापुट जिलार जयपुर सहर रे कोरापुट जिला कोर्ट आज उद्घाटन उद्घाटन कर श्रीजुक्त चीफ जस्टिस एस मुरलीधरन एवं मु बहुत खुशी एवं आमर वकील बंधु भाई मैंने बहुत खुशी होती ए कोर्ट परिसर देखी आज आम कोर्ट परिसर रे आज आम निश्चित भाव उपभोग करूँ भावुँ तेणुक आम जयपुर जनसाधारण को एवं कोरापुट जिलार समस्त जनसाधारण को ये आम आज आनंदित तेणुक मुझे कहबी जे कोरापुट जिलार गोटे द्वितीय बृहत्तम कोर्ट उद्घाटन हो पारला से मुई आमर जुडिशियल डिपार्टमेंट को मु स्वागत जनाऊँ।
tireless efforts in the matter of construction and various installations of this great event. Last but never the least, I welcome the members of the print and electronic media who are present here to disseminate the auspicious ceremony. Thank you all. Namaskar.
Members, electronics and print media personnel, all my colleagues and other dignitaries present in the meeting. Being the district judge, on behalf of our judgeship, I heartily welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, my Lord Dr. S. Muralidhar, Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Odisha, to this inaugural function, and also extend special welcome to Honorable Guest of Honor, my Lord Sri Justice S. Pujari, Honorable Sri Justice B. R. Sarangi, Honorable Sri Justice Sangam Sahu, and my Lord Sri Justice Sanjeev Kumar Panibhai, Judge High Court of Odisha, to grace this occasion. This District Court of Malkangiri was opened on 20th of April 2013 after being separated from parent judgeship of Koraput. The courts of Malkangiri district headquarters are functioning in 3 separate places, but opening of this new court complex at Malkangiri gives an opportunity to smooth functioning of all the courts in a single premise.
May esteemed brother Justice P. Das will be joining in Rajpal mode. My esteemed brother remain Justice Sahu, Justice S.K. Panibhai, the Administrative Judge of Malkangiri and Koraput, Justice Savitri Rotho, Judge Odisha High Court and members of the building committee, District Judges of Malkangiri and Koraput, so also other judicial officers, honorable members of the bar of Koraput, including the office bearer as well as Malkangiri, officers of the district administration who are joining in this auspicious occasion of inaugural of both the courts, members of the print and electronic media, members of the above all members of the registry. I deem it my proud privilege to be part of this occasion especially in the inaugural ceremony of Koraput and Malkangiri, of which I had the good fortune of being the district and session judge of the undivided district. Koraput, I always say, is a second home to me. I love Koraput district, undivided Koraput district. I love the members of the bar and also the people there. I was so friendly with the people there. The witnesses were coming to my court. When I was interacting with them, they are saying me that, Babu, our Desia Loka Chuki. I still remember that, and that has taught me. The members of the bar are also very cooperative. Koraput is a district where you will have no problem from the side of the bar, undivided Koraput district. When I was posted as first district, as district judge of Koraput, I had little knowledge of administration, even in granting a CL. I was very apprehensive whether I should grant or not. Then I have learned from my staffs there who are very learned, my accountant, my Sirastadar, all were very efficient there. One cannot imagine I had got such a pescar there.
Wonderful, truly wonderful, remarkable building complexes of the district junctions in Jaipur, in Koraput district, and in Malkangiri have been inaugurated. I am so happy to be here with all of you in the presence of my very esteemed colleagues, Mr. Sarangi, Justice Pujari, Justice Dash, Justice Sabu, Justice Panigrehi, Justice Savitri Rathod, the Registrar General of our court, the officers here, and most particularly in the two locations, Shri Soumendra Rajguru, the District and Sessions Judge Koraput, Shri Rajesh Pandit, the DIG, Southwest Range, Shri Devan Kumar Pradhan, the Additional District Magistrate Koraput, Shri Varun Gundupalli, SP Koraput, Shri Saroj Kumar Das, President, District Bar Association Jaipur. Sir, your earnest appeal to us to physically visit will soon be fulfilled. I can assure you, Mr. Panigiri and I will definitely come there. And after Justice Pujari has so passionately described his life in Koraput as a district judge, I'm just now waiting to visit there physically myself. So we will do it as soon as possible. Shri Anand Ratha, Secretary, District Bar Association, Jaipur. And as is pointed out by Justice Pujari, all the bar members who have gathered at Jaipur, even from the neighboring districts, this is indeed a very, very happy occasion. In Malkangiri, Ms. Rekha Prasad, District and Sessions Judge, Malkangiri, Shri Vishal Singh, Collector and District Magistrate, Malkangiri, Shri Prahalad Sahai Meena, SP, Malkangiri, Shri Prabhakar Pradhan, District Bar Association, Malkangiri, Shri Prakash Chandra Mohanty, District Bar Association, Malkangiri, and all the lawyers in Malkangiri. And I must again share with you that at the earliest occasion, we will definitely come there. In fact, as Justice Pujari was pointing out, I have literally not spared any weekend. Every possible weekend where I can travel, I do travel. It is sheer joy and pleasure to see the people of Orissa, to see the lawyers of Orissa. Joy that comes when you see the fruition of all that effort, when you see those plaques open. So this is a joyous occasion for all of us to salute the great hard work, the good work of several people. Today, while some of us as judges are now here, we should never forget that this is a collective effort of several people. There have been many people since the time the buildings started being constructed about 7-8 years ago, who must have put all their ideas, their efforts, their attention into making this event.
मंदिर सतेका कोरापुट आमर सिरी
Om Ganganavataya Swaha.